Baby got back. I'm Dakota from Martini Works Unboxing. Today we're giving your 4Runner a butt lift. We have the Morimoto XB LED taillights Gen 2, and don't tell my mama, but they're smoked, all right? My mom always told me not to smoke. Oh. Now, in my opinion, these are some of the best looking taillights for the 4Runner on the market. Taillights you have to be so careful with because they can take your vehicle from nice to rice so dang fast, but I think Morimoto does a fantastic job of making it look like these belong on the 4Runner. Almost like an OEM Plus, like they look factory, but at the same time they're so nice so you know they're upgraded. Also, I love what they're calling the 3D light blades that light up when you brake. They have super bright reverse lights and even an optional backup boost reverse light bar that can connect to these too. Now, maybe one of the best parts is these are insanely easy to install, even if you've never done an install before. So let's get these on the old Yoda. All right, so the taillights are in. I am so dang happy. This was one of the easiest installs ever. You know how when you're installing some car parts, usually something always goes wrong, no matter how simple the project is? That didn't happen here because it's literally 4 nuts. And then the stock ones pop out, you put the new ones in. These are direct plug and play. It could not be simpler. I have a little short of the install if you guys want to check that out. But it's mindless, super easy. They turned out phenomenal. They're insanely bright. They look awesome. I am so stoked with how it transformed the butt of my 4Runner. The blinkers and hazards look really dang cool. They're sequential and they're bright. They just turned out phenomenal. I think these are literally the best taillights on the market that you can get for a 4Runner. So if you guys are interested, make sure to look down below in the description or the pinned comment. We'll have a link directly to these. So if you want to get them for you can pick them up from Martini Works. Huge shout out to Morimoto. They're making some fantastic stuff. Stay tuned. I can't wait to get the headlights, fog lights, all that in for Morimoto. It's gonna be dope. We'll see you on the next unboxing.